Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to configure SSID settings in your Zte router. I know we use Zte router for fiber optics connection. So all you need to do is log in into your router with your username and password. If it's the first time you're getting into a Zte router, your default username and password is actually admin. So what I need to do is to go to your network. Okay, let me save this. Go to your network. Click on your network, then go to WLAN, click on SSID settings, go to security rather. I'm trying to show my password. As you can see, this is the password I have. So I'm trying to change this password now to my preferred password. So I've already copied and the password I want to change to elsewhere. So all I need to just paste. You click on confirm. Let's wait for a few seconds. I will lose connection because I've changed my Wi-Fi password. So do where to like. I'll be dropping the next video I'll be dropping is how to create a connection on your fiber optics router via VLAN and VoIP. So I need to forget this. Trying to reconnect with a new password. You click on your Wi-Fi and I'm just going to paste that right here. Click on join. Guys, do where to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated at any point I drop a video. So I minimize, go back to my browser. I need to refresh this. Okay, back. I'm into my router. So next what I'll be doing is to change the SSID. I want to have a different SSID. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. Let's say, okay, let me type in CEO network. So this is just for the purpose of this tutorial video. Please like this video. The algorithm could push the person gets learn about how to change Wi-Fi, SSID and password in Zte router. So I'm going to still lose connection again because I've changed the Wi-Fi name. Go back to your settings, click on Wi-Fi. Scanning. Okay, as you can see that CEO network. You just tap it and okay, this time around I will type in the password. So this is the password I changed earlier on. Click on join. As you can see, I'm connecting back to my network. So minimize again. Let's just go back to our router and confirm that we did everything right. Log in with your username and password. I'm also going to drop a video on how you can change rather how you can edit username and password to your preferred username and password, unlike the admin that came on default. So guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please do it to like and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn on notification. See you in the next video.